Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 180 of Surah Al-Maida and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إن تعذبهم فإنهم عبادك. Hamza is sharp. And when you're engaging in ikhfa, you are not forgetting about the haraka behind it. So it should be very nicely. Hamza should be shadid, and for kasra give e sound. In, to. And for ikhfa, you are you're keeping the sound in your nose, and you are going towards the makhraj of ta. Into. For the muscle lips, the sound is short. Az. Ain from your throat, to put open jaws, attach with dal. Dal will get zip of raqa. And this zaba sound should be heard. Azib. For kasra, give e sound, attach it ba. Ba will get sifa of qalqala. And this qalqala is very crisp because there is no flow of sound or breath here. Dib. Hum. For the circle lips attach with meme, we will get sifa of tawassut. And hukmuhu idhar, as you will touch meme. Your lips should be in a straight position but not stretched behind. Fa, give hamsin fa for fatha open jaws. In, for kasra give e sound attach it. Noon will get sifa kunna. This kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Home, for the circle lips attach it. Meme will get sifa of tawassut. And remember that tawassut is not rakhawa, so it should not go and cross the limit of tawassut, but it should stay tawassut. Home, that's it. As you will hear the sound of meme, the pronunciation will be closed. Home, I for kasra give e sound. Ba, 2 counts long without kunna. Duk, for the circle lips attached with kaf. Kaf will get sifa off. The hums here because you are giving sukoon because of the waqf. ومخرج الواو circling your lips but open jaws. In. Again, this is إخفاء with ta. So you're hiding the sound of noon. You're going towards the makhraj of ta. And yes, this is إخفاء. وإن تغ. That is very sharp of a top and jut attached. غين will get sifa of رخاوة. And this غين, and you remember which letters? Kha, letter Kha, Ghain, and Qa are musta'aliya letters and Qa. But these are munfatihatu. So here the sound of infitah should be heard. Taw, taw, fir. For kasra give e sound attached to ra. Ra will get sifa tawassut, and tawassut should stay tawassut. It should not turn into rakhawa. La, for fatha open jaws. Hum, for the circle lips attached meme gets sifa of tawassut. And hukmuhu idhar. Fa, give hamsin fa for fatha open jaws. In, hamza is sharp, for kasra give e sound attached noon will get sifa of kunna. This kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ka, fatha open jaws. This is ikhfa with ta. So you are hiding the sound of noon. You're keeping, you're going towards the makhraj of ta, and you are keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. This is ikhfa. Ta, tal, for fatha upon jaws, attach it lam, lam will get sifa of tawassut. Ain from your throat, for fatha upon jaws. Z, 2 counts long. Zul, give this whistle sound into it, and the whistle sound of za is like buzzing sound. Zul, for dhamma circle lips attached with lam, lam will get sifa of tawassut. Ha, ha from your throat, papata open jaws. Keem. Because of the buff, you're giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned. This two counts long one and two four. This is mada arid lisakun. إن تعذبهم فإنهم عبادك وإن تغفر لهم فإنك أنت العزيز الحكيم. Qaf is heavy. The level of heaviness is more, so make it two counts long and heavy. Low, keep lam light, but lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Low, lafz jalala is always long. Who for the circle lips and keep ha light. Ha, two counts long. The, give zab in. Uh, Dal and make it two counts long. The, yow, yeah, this is wow, lean. So lean means softness. So you're making this soft, this letter soft. When you're attaching ya with wow here, the softness is involved. Yow, two counts long. Mu for the circle lips and the sound is short. Ya, this is ikhfa with fa. You're hiding the sound of noon. You're going towards the makhraj of fa, and you're keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ya, fa. Give hams in fa, fatha open jaws. Us. Ain is light, but sad is heavy. Sad will get sifa rakhaw, and it has whistle, and it is heavy. Saw, saw, two counts long. D, focus like E sound. Qi, cough is heavy, make it two counts long. Na, for top and jaws. Slid, slid is heavy, focus like E sound. Attach it dal, dal you get sifat qalqala. And it should be crisp and nice because there's no flow of sound or breath in dal because this is majhura letter. Slid, poo, off is heavy for the circle lips, the sound short. Home for the circle lips attached with me, you get sip off the wasat and hawk with the hawk. La for patop and josh. Home for the circle lips attached with me, you get sip off the wasat and hook with the hawk. Jan for patop and josh, there is no flow of hums, and no flow of breath. So Jim should not seem like ch. So this is Shidda letter. Jan. Give unna here. This unna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na, two counts long. Dun. This is ikhfa. This ikhfa is light. So you're going towards the makhraj of ta. You are hiding the sound in your nose. And that's it. Dun. But don't forget to circle your lips for dhamma. Taj. That is very sharp, no flow of sound or breath, and as well as jim. So jim will get sifa of qalqala, but there should not be any flow of breath. Taj. Taj. Ri. Ra is light because there is kasra under it and make it two counts long. Ri. Nya. This is ikhfa. This ikhfa is light. You're going towards the makhraj of ta. You're hiding the sound of noon. Nya. Tah. Ta is very sharp. Attach with ha. Ha will get sifa of and it should go into, it should be from your throat. Tahti. Focus like E sound. Hal. For fatha open jaws attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. And Hamza is very sharp of a top on jaws attached with noon, noon gets of tawassut. Ha. So when there are two tawassuts coming up right beside, so make sure that the length should be equal. And hal here the tawassut and hal, and ha. Two counts long. Ru for the circle ellipse. Ra is heavy and the sound is short. Kha, two counts long. Li for kasra give e sound. Di, two counts long. Na for fatha conjures the sound is short. Fi, give hams and fa, make it two counts long. Ha, this is mad munfasil. Jazz, make it four counts long, and it should not go in your nose. Ha, a, hamza is sharp of a thumb jaw. Ba, da. This is matawat, so it is two counts long. Ra is heavy, and give a little takrar in ra, and for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ra, li, dot is heavy, for kasra give e sound. Yell, keep ya light, but lafzajila will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Lo, mean it is always long. Who for the circle ellipse sounds short. Ain from your throat for fatha upon jaws attached. Noon gets a up the wasut. And hukmuhu idhar. Hum for the circle ellipse attached. Mean will get sifa of the wasut. And the ruling is idhar. هو مخرج الفاء circling in your lips fatha upon jaws. Ra is heavy because there is fatha on top of it. Ra, bu, dod is heavy, make it for dhamma, circle ellipse and make it two counts long. An, ain from your throat, for fatha upon jaws, attach with noon, only gets a of the wasut. And you are giving raqawa on ha because you are giving sukoon on it. An, the, give raqawa in dal, make it two counts long. Li, for kasra give e sound. Kel, for fatha upon jaws, attach with lam, will get sifa of the wasut. Fau, make it two counts long. And this is soft. Wow lean is soft. Fau, zul, for the circle ellipse attached with lam, will get sifa of the wasut. Ain from your throat. Lean. Yeah, and because of the waqf, you are given temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this two counts long vowel into four. This is madarat lit sukoon. قال الله هذا يوم ينفع الصادقين صدقهم لهم جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار لهم جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار خالدين فيها أبدا رضي الله عنهم ورضوا عنه رضي الله عنهم ورضوا عنه ذلك الفوز العظيم ذلك الفوز العظيم لله ملك السماوات والأرض وما فيهن for kasra give e sound attached with lam will get sifa of the wasut and it is two counts long and here lafz jilala will be light because there is kasra before it. Lillah, lahi. Focus give e sound, the sound is short. Mul, for the circle ellipse attached with lam, will get sifa of the wasut. Us, for the circle ellipse attached with sin will get sifa of rakhawa. And it has safi and it is light. But don't, when you're pronouncing it scene, pronouncing the scene, you don't stress it. Us, the let the sound flow. Us, for patapon jaws. Ma, without gunna, make it 2 counts long. Wa, 2 counts long. T for kasra give E sound. Well, makhraj of waw, circling your lips with fatha upon jaws, attach with lam, lam will get sip of tawassut. Ar, hamza is sharp, attached with ra, ra will be heavy because there is fatha before it. And get the right makhraj of ra, which will get little takrar. أرضي for constructive E sound. Dot is heavy. ومخرج واو circling your lips with top and jaws. Ma 2 counts long. Fi give hums and make it 2 counts long. Hin. You remember whenever there is buff on the tashdid letter, the shidda will stay there. Fihin. So you're keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time because it has a akmal gunna. ومخرج واو circling your lips with a open jaws. Who for the circling lips. The sound is short. Ain from your throat, put open jaws. Lam is light, make it 2 counts long. Kul for the circling lips attached with lam. Lam you get sip of the wasut. Li, as you will touch a lam, your lips should be in a straight position and then give kasra. Li, shay, li, make it soft. Shay, give the kasra on hamza and then go to ikhfa. This ikhfa is heavy because there is cough, so you're lifting your tongue up for cough. In cough is heavy for top and jaws. Deen. Because of the waqf, you're giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned into 4 counts long vowel, and this raw will be light because there is ya before it. لله ملك السماوات والأرض وما فيهن وهو على كل شيء قدير. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.